Good morning. I am Malik. If you are listening to this, you survived the garbage rally of Wednesday. The index hit 186,518 yesterday, another record high, up 1,456 points. On paper, you are rich. In reality, you are standing on a trapdoor. Let's look at the crime scene from yesterday. Volume was massive, 1.3 billion shares. But who was buying? Was it the foreign funds? Was it the smart money? No, it was the retail herd. It was Chacha Bashir from Gujranwala chasing WorldCall Telecom at 185. It was the WhatsApp groups piling into Synergico at 772. It was the gamblers betting their rent money on K Electric at 666. When the penny stock casino becomes the market leader, the waiter is handing out the bill. The party is over. The smart money has already left the building and is parked in gold, high-yield energy, and refineries. Now, let's go back to the warning I gave you yesterday, the Ionic Anax. I told you a Chevron-chartered tanker was sitting empty off the coast of Venezuela. Update from the war room? As of 4 a.m. this morning, that ship is still empty. But now the situation has mutated. It's no longer just about Venezuela. The contagion has spread to the Strait of Malacca. Overnight, insurance premiums for tankers passing through this choke point jumped 400%. Why? Because the U.S. blockade of Venezuelan oil has forced China to panic buy Middle Eastern crude. Every tanker in the world is being rerouted. The supply chain isn't just broken, it is shattered. What does this mean for Pakistan? It means a diesel shortage is imminent. We have 18 days of diesel cover left. If those ships don't dock in Karachi by Monday, the government hits the panic button. And when the government panics, refineries print cash. This brings us to the trade of the day, the refinery breakout. Stop looking at banks. Banks are dead money until the next rate hike. Look at ADOC Refinery, ATRL. Closed, 747.31. The trigger? Gross refining margins, GRMs, on diesel just hit $35 per barrel overnight due to the Malacca panic. The play? ATRL is essentially a diesel factory. If it crosses 755 this morning, the algorithms will take it to 800 by Friday. The sympathy play? National Refinery, NRL. Closed at 448.32. It is the high beta cousin, risky, volatile, but explosive. Now, let's look at the kill zone, the traps set for you today, Thursday, Jan 8th. Trap number 1, the Siemens guillotine, executed. I warned you yesterday, Siemens, SIEM, closed at 1524.99. Today, the book closure begins. If you are still holding this stock this morning, you are trapped. You cannot sell. Your capital is frozen while the market melts down. This is why we read the calendar. Trap number 2, the Bata takeout. Bata Pakistan, BATA, has a board meeting today at 11:30 a.m. Agenda? Matter other than financials. The rumor? A stock split or land sale. The reality? Bata trades at 1285. The volume is non-existent. Do not get sucked in. If the news is bad, the spread is so wide you will lose 50 rupees just trying to exit. Let the insiders play this one. Opportunity number 1. The Punjab Oil Sleeper, Punjab Oil Mills, POML, meets at 10 a.m. today in Islamabad. Closed, 181.82. The intel, matter other than financials for an edible oil company during a commodity supercycle? This smells like a special dividend. Strategy, watch the screen at 9:55 a.m. If you see abnormal volume, jump in. Ride the news spike and exit by 10:30 a.m. Finally, a word on the dead cat bounce in tech. Systems Ltd, SYS, closed at 171.30. TRG closed at 77.68. You might see them green at the open. Do not fall for it. The US dollar index, DXY, is pushing 106. The rupee is under pressure. Tech stocks are long-duration assets. They die when the dollar flies. Use any rally in systems or TRG to exit. Do not average down. Do not be a hero. The verdict for Thursday. The KSE-100 is hallucinating. It thinks everything is fine because the index is at 186,000. We know better. The Ionic Anax is empty. The Malacca Strait is choked. The panic is coming. Ignore the index. Trade the choke point. Buy ATRL and NRL. Watch POML at 10 a.m. And for God's sake, stay away from WorldCall. I'm Malik. The market is open. Hunt or be hunted. Disclaimer. StockSense is an educational platform. I am an analyst, not a financial advisor. The strategies discussed here are based on data and market speculation. The stock market is a high-risk environment. Do not trade money you cannot afford to lose. Do your own research.